Now, if you're looking for the perfect tour for a multi-generation family, so you've got young kids right to old people, then make sure you watch this video because I'm going to tell you which is the best tour to go on. Hello, Jay here. Now, as I said in the intro, if you're looking for a great tour, if you've got a multi-generation family, so if you've got young kids right through to grandparents, then this is a tour I'm going to recommend to you. Now, why am I going to recommend this one? There's loads of tours you could do. Bioluminescence is an amazing tour. PP is an amazing tour. However, last week my parents were here all the way from the good old UK, and they've been on holiday for the last couple of weeks, which is lovely because they can do the school runs, saves me doing it. Anyway, I took them on this tour with my little kids and the grandparents. So I'm going to explain to you what the tour is, and then you can go and book it and have a great time. But before I do, have you checked out our merchandise? If you go to our website right now, well, not right now, watch this video first, but if you go to our website afterwards, then you can see all our amazing merchandise, which you can buy. Not only can you get one of these hats, there you go. She wasn't ready for that one. You get one of these hats, or one of these shirts. One of these shirts, be quicker. One of these lovely shirts, or if you want to, one of these thermos. Good throw. Now these are amazing because they keep hot things hot and cold things cold. How to do it? I don't know. Anyway, just go to our website and check them out there, or come to our office, which is just here. So the tour I'm recommending for you is Maiton and Coral Island. That's right, the lovely Maithon, which is here, and then Coral Island, which is down here. Now, why am I recommending those? Okay, so my parents are in their 70s and my kids are 10 and 13. They love to go snorkeling. My son loves to jump off the boats. My grandparents, my dad loves snorkeling. My mum's more of a chilled out, just wants to sit on the beach and relax, and she likes going to see nice views and viewpoints and stuff like that. So we designed the perfect tour for them and for me because I love snorkeling too. So we got on the boat here at Boat Lagoon and we headed down to the beautiful Maiton Island. It is stunning there. Now, if you go early, which we didn't because my car battery broke and I was late coming, which me Julie will acknowledge that because she was waiting for me. She even phoned me up and said, "Where are you?" I said, "My car battery just died and I had to get a new battery." I was told it was only take 15 minutes to get the battery, but it didn't. It took an hour. And I gave him a 200 baht tip. Anyway, car's fixed now. So we headed down there, but if you do go early, you might see dolphins. Now, it's not guaranteed, but there is a pod of dolphins that live around Maiton Island. Now, there's two snorkeling spots at Maiton. There's one on the front side, there's one on the back side. We went to a little cove, and as you can see from this beautiful drone shot, how gorgeous it was. Now, I've snorkeled at Maiton many times, and this time, it was possibly the clearest I've ever seen it. Unfortunately, not only did my car battery die that morning, but when I set my GoPro up, the GoPro battery didn't work either. So, I've got no underwater footage whatsoever from Maiton, but no, I did go and it was lovely. No, I did, and it was beautiful. It was crystal clear. I even saw some squid and they were having some rumpy bumpy boom boom time, which was lovely. And I wish I could film it, but I couldn't. But we're probably taken off YouTube for putting animal naughtiness up there. Anyway, Maiton is perfect for a little snorkel, and it was a bit quiet when we went there. There was a couple of other little yachts there, but that was it. And it is a perfect snorkel spot. And like I said, if it's a little bit wavy on the back side, you go to the front side. If it's a little bit wavy on the front side, you go to the back side. The day we went, it was perfect, as you can see from this lovely drone shot and this beautiful shot of my granddad. Well, not my granddad, he's my dad, he's my kid's granddad, snorkeling. Look how beautiful it is. It's lovely, isn't it? Sorry about the underwater footage. Anyway, after Maiton, which was lovely, we then headed down to one of my favourite spots, which is Coral Island, or Kohei, as some people call it. Now, those of you who watch all our YouTube videos, I know you all do, and you like and subscribe to all of them, I'm sure you do, will know that Banana Beach on Coral Island just was voted the second best beach in the world. Just take that in. Just take that in a little bit. The second best beach in the world. Now, I love Maya Bay. That's a beautiful beach. I think it's slightly better than Banana Beach on Kohei or Coral Island. There's also Koh Kralan has got a lovely beach as well, which was voted the best beach last year, I think. And Maya Bay was voted the top beach. And it's all craziness. It is a lovely beach. Is it one of the top 10 beaches in the world? Possibly not. Anyway, Coral Island is lovely. It is gorgeous. And the reason it's perfect for multi-generations family is this. One, It's got amazing facilities. So if you want some nice food, look at this picture of my family eating. Lovely, isn't it? It's got a lovely restaurant. It's got toilets. It's got showers. It's also got activities that you can do. You can go parasailing. You can hire a glass bottom canoe if you want. Is it called? It is called a glass bottom canoe. You can also go snorkeling. And the snorkeling there is unbelievable. We'll get to that in a minute. You go diving there. They've also got this rope swing. Look at this rope swing, which one of our guests did last week as well. That was good fun. And it's got a beautiful viewpoint. And if you're lucky enough, you can see the hornbills because they are beautiful. Love a hornbill. Anyway, it's also got a beautiful beach where the kids can play on the beach, and it's got rock pools, so the kids go and play in the rock pools. Going back to the snorkeling, it is some of the best snorkeling, and it is very, very underrated by everyone. People don't talk about this. I personally think that Coral Island is one of the best snorkeling spots in the whole of Phuket, including Phi Phi. Pangai Bay is no snorkeling anyway, but Phi Phi is beautiful for snorkeling. But Coral Island is great. And the reason it is so great is, one, it's crystal clear and it's not deep. It's probably not that deep, but it's not deep whatsoever. So you can actually snorkel straight from the beach. So if you're a little bit nervous about snorkeling, you've never done it before, or you don't want to snorkel off the back of the boat because it scares you a little bit, then this is the perfect location. If you've never snorkeled, like I said, you can just walk straight out and you can see a plethora, good word, of fishes. Plus, one of my favourite animals there, which are little sea urchins. Now, there's lots of sea urchins. Please don't step on them because it will hurt, obviously. But don't touch them either because that will hurt as well. But there's loads of sea urchin. There's loads of fishies there. I've even seen the eel there. It is amazing, amazing snorkeling. Coral Island is great. And look at it. It's a beautiful island. More drone shots, Miguel. Look at those. I took those drone shots. They're lovely, aren't they? But also, it's easy to get on and off. And it is a great place just to spend a whole day if you want to. Now, it can get a little busy, especially during lunch times. But outside of those times, it's beautiful. And when the tide's out, don't look at me like that. Julie's looking at me like, what's wrong with that? It can get a little bit busy. I'm being honest. She's having a go at me. Bloody producers. Yeah, don't say that. Anyway, carry on. It does get a little bit busy, but also outside of those peak hours, it's really lovely. And when the tide's out, there's a huge beach there. When the tide's in, there is obviously less of a beach. So you have to take that into consideration. But it is a gorgeous, 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 gorgeous island to spend a day on. And perfect for multi-generation families. As I said, my parents, my mum just wanted to chill out on the beach, go and see a beautiful viewpoint. And when they get a little bit tired, there's deck chairs there that you can sit on and relax. Okay? Unlike some of the other islands where there's nothing, which are beautiful, don't get me wrong, but you can't just sit down and relax. You have to sit in the sand or you sit on one of our beach mats. But Coral Island's got everything you want. That's why I think it's a perfect location for a multi-generation family tour. That's right. So there you go. Oh, on the way back, by the way, we went fishing, which you can do, but you need to let us know beforehand. Don't come to the pier and say, oh, I want to go fishing as well. Okay, let us know beforehand, and then we can put the fishing rods on the boat, and we can put the bait on the boat as well, and make sure you get someone who knows what they're doing. Like our captain on Lucas 3 that we had was perfect, and he was able to get all the hooks out because I wasn't very good at getting the hooks out. Someone's here. Hello, someone's here. Someone. I'm talking about Coral Island and what a great place it is for multi-generation families.
Yep.
Yeah, see? Even she says yep, which means it is. Thanks.
No worries.
You get out of my shop now.
Okay.
That's Samwa. She's lovely. She's gorgeous. Anyway, there you go. So, Coral Island, and you fish on the way back. These are some shots of us fishing. It was a great, great tour. Thank you very much to Captain Lucas 3 for taking us out, and for me, Julie, who was also our guide. Wasn't you, Julie? She's a great guide. She's rubbish at throwing in merchandise at the right time. But there you go. Right, if you want to book this tour, if you've got any questions about the tour to Maiton and to Coral Island, now look, it's not a specific tour, it's one of our little Captain's Choices tours. So you can come to us and say, look, I really love the tour that Jay did, we want to take that as a Captain's Choice tour, you can do it. And the great thing is it's not too far away. It takes about 30 minutes, 35 minutes from Coral Island back to the pier, so it's not far as well. So if you're a little bit worried about the boats and you don't want to go too far, it's a perfect location. There you go, that's my top tip for a multi-generation tour, Maiton and Coral Island. Thanks for watching. Oh yeah, please make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget, go buy our merch. It's good stuff. And then me Julie gets a commission. Do you get a commission? No, she says no. Well, she should do. Anyway, there you go. Woo! Blooper. The whole generations, and make sure you watch this video, and I'll calm myself down a little bit because I went a little bit too excited for that intro, and jumping up and down is a bit rubbish. Hello, this is a video all about a trip to Maiton and Coral Island. It's great because I'm gonna, Jay. So, superstar Jayla Shark. Hashtag Jayla Shark. That's right. Chicks just walk past. Check me out. Yeah.